one of the problems you probably found with hypnosis for gay men is that there really is not many programs or downloads that are necessarily geared toward the gay man. So I'm going to show you this great little program called Subliminal Power that allows you to create your own subliminal messages for your computer. So you can basically focus them for whatever you want and create one that's more geared toward the gay man in this case. Basically what it does is it takes the messages in its database here and it flashes them on the screen for you. You're not able to necessarily see these messages, however your subconscious mind does pick these up, and then your subconscious mind will act upon these messages, and then your subconscious mind will act upon these and allow you to attract whatever you're trying to attract or gain in life. First of all, it has a bunch of preset ones in here. Of course, there are none for the gay man. However, we're going to easily create one. And it's very easy to do this. We just edit one if we want to. Let's select this one because we want to attract a man in this case. So let's hit this. Now don't select over there. What you're going to do is actually click on the title because we're going to edit it. This is to select the program that plays. So what we're going to do is we're going to hit edit this title. And again, as you can see in this case, it's geared toward a woman attracting a man. But we're just going to make a few little minor changes here. Make it so that I can attract men. And I think that's all the ones I need to do. If I want to, I can add some down here, whatever affirmations that I would like to add. That's not an issue. When you're done, you're going to come over here to File, and you're going to put Save As, because you probably don't want to necessarily overwrite the original file. And then you can just put whatever title you want. So then hit save, and then we can close this, and then we can come down here and find it, and we can select it. Now we can adjust these settings if we want to. I usually stick to the defaults because I figure whoever created this program had a reason for setting it at these settings, probably because they've decided that it's the most effective. However, you can have your messages shown randomly on the screen. They can be centered on the screen. They can be randomly in an active window. They can be centered in an active window. You can adjust the contrast, which basically means how easily you can see the messages flash at you. The lower that you set this, the less you'll be able to see them. Like right back here, you won't even see them flash at all. If you set this to max, you will see it flash, although you can't read the message because it flashes too quickly. Here's how you can change how often they are displayed, and then also for how long they are displayed. So if you wanted to actually see the message maybe a little bit in your conscious mind, you could set this to a bigger number and you may be able to see it. If you would like to, you can add this pre-selected music here if you want to. It is at 60 beats per minute, which does help to put your mind in a state that's more receptive to suggestions. However, most people don't necessarily use this because they're at work or they are at home with other people around, so it's not a big deal. If you don't use it, most people probably don't. However, if you want the music to play, you can do that. You can also add your own music if you'd like to. That's an option. And just hit OK there. Actually, I don't really want any music necessarily, so I'll just put that down for now. And then you can change the font of your message if you would like. If you need any help, although this is a pretty simple program, you can click that button there. And then of course you have this automatically start with Windows selection that you want to probably check. And this way, every time you start your computer, your messages will start flashing at you and keep you on your road to success of attracting men. I would definitely keep that checked, because obviously the more that you are exposed to your messages, the more success you're going to have. And then all you need to do is come up here and hit OK, and you will be on your way to attracting men.